Hi guys. Today in this video I am going to show the easy method to get live wallpaper on PC. First open Microsoft Store. On search bar type lively wallpaper. Click the download button. Now it's downloading. Wait for few seconds. Click open button. Now you can see some pre-installed live wallpaper. Click any of these wallpaper to use it. Now it's worked. If you want to use more live wallpapers, follow these steps. Open Google Chrome. On search bar type live wallpapers for PC. Now you can see so many website link. Click any of these website link you like. I use SUBSCIBE website to download. Click any one of these videos you like. Then click download button. Now it's downloading. Now it's downloaded. Then open Lively Wallpaper app. Click Add Wallpaper button. Click Open File. It will open File Manager and you can select the downloaded file in the File Manager. Click OK button and wait for few seconds. Now you can see it's worked. Please do subscribe to this channel for more entertaining, informative videos and also share your valuable feedbacks on comment section. Thanks for watching.